Welcome back, heroes. Today, we are diving into the thrilling world of Marvel Rivals to explore one of the most innovative and courageous young heroes in the Marvel Universe, Peni Parker. Peni Parker, the brilliant teen prodigy from New York City, pilots the sensational SPDR mech to protect the web of life and destiny. Together, they form an unstoppable duo on the battlefield, combining cutting-edge technology with unmatched bravery. Let's break down her abilities. Peni Parker's primary fire ability in Marvel Rivals is called Cyber Web Cluster. This ability allows Peni to launch a rapid-fire, delayed projectile that creates a spell field upon impact. The projectile deals 15 damage, and the spell field also deals 15 damage within a 1.5-meter spherical radius. The ability has a fire rate of 3.33 rounds per second and a projectile speed of 120 meters per second. Cyber Web Cluster is unique as it has infinite ammo, allowing Peni to maintain constant pressure on her enemies. Peni Parker's ultimate ability in Marvel Rivals is called Spider Sweeper. This ability enhances the SPDR suit, vastly increasing Peni's movement speed and granting her access to a sweep attack that launches enemies upwards. The ability deals 60 damage per sweep and has a range of 5 meters. Additionally, Spider Sweeper deploys Arano mines, spider drones, and cyber webs repeatedly while active. Peni gains 450 bonus health and a 70% movement boost during the ability's duration, making her a formidable force on the battlefield. Peni Parker's Bionic Spider Nest ability in Marvel Rivals allows her to generate a stationary spider nest at a targeted area. This ability periodically spawns spider drones and creates cyber webs around its location. While Peni is within the cyber web, she gains healing over time and a movement boost. Any excess healing is converted into bonus health. The ability has a cooldown of 15 seconds and a maximum distance of 10 meters. The spider nest has 350 health and spawns to spider drones every 3 seconds, each dealing 40 damage. Peni Parker's Arano mine ability in Marvel Rivals allows her to deploy tiny spider-shaped mines that can be attached to any surface. When placed on a cyber web, these mines become concealed and invisible to the enemy team. The mines will lock onto any enemy that steps on the web, dealing 100 damage upon detonation. Peni can have up to 4 Arano mines active at a time, and each mine has a cooldown of 4 seconds per charge. This ability is particularly effective for setting traps and controlling key areas of the battlefield. Peni Parker's Cyber Bond ability in Marvel Rivals allows her to shoot a web strand that links to the targeted area or cyber web. If stretched too far, it will trigger a pullback. This ability functions as a dash, allowing Peni to quickly reposition herself on the battlefield. Peni Parker's Cyber Bond ability in Marvel Rivals allows her to shoot a web strand that links to the targeted area or cyber web. If stretched too far, it will trigger a pullback. This ability functions as a dash, allowing Peni to quickly reposition herself on the battlefield. Peni Parker's Wall Crawl ability in Marvel Rivals allows her to crawl on vertical surfaces by holding the jump button. This ability lets Peni move at a speed of 7.2 meters per second while crawling upwards at a 90 angle. Wall Crawl is particularly useful for sneaking up on unaware enemies and gaining advantageous positions on the battlefield. Peni Parker's Cyber Web Snare ability in Marvel Rivals allows her to cast futuristic webbing that immobilizes enemies or creates a cyber web. When the web hits a surface ground, walls, ceiling, it creates a cyber web area. While Peni is within the cyber web, she gains healing over time and a movement boost. Any excess healing is converted into bonus health, up to a maximum of 150 health. The ability has a cooldown of 3 seconds, a projectile speed of 60 meters per second, and a range of 3 meters. Enemies hit by the web are ensnared for 0.7 seconds, and the web can even interrupt ultimates, such as Scarlet Witch's Reality Erasure and Spider-Man's Spectacular Spin. Peni Parker's Armor Expulsion ability in Marvel Rivals is a team-up ability that activates when paired with Venom. When activated, Venom shares a part of his symbiote with Peni Parker, encoding her in a symbiote that deals damage to nearby enemies and reduces incoming damage. The ability creates a spell field that surrounds Peni, dealing 50 damage on cast and an additional 50 damage per second for 4 seconds. It also provides a 50% damage reduction while the ability is active. The range of the spell field is a 5-meter spherical radius, making it effective for controlling the battlefield and protecting Peni from incoming attacks. And there you have it, heroes! Peni Parker and her sensational SPDR mech are ready to take on any challenge in Marvel Rivals. With her cutting-edge technology, high self-sustained capabilities, and unwavering bravery, Peni is a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield.
Don't get jealous, Spider!
Peni excels as a resilient ranged fighter with high self-sustained capabilities, making her exceptional in defensive play. However, she has limited mobility tools and can be frail outside of her cyber webs, requiring strategic positioning to maximize her effectiveness.
Us against the world! Systems restoring. Lines in place.
This is real firepower!
As expected.
Lines in place. It's Spider time! Time for some fire. This is gonna hurt. Powering up.
That's all for today's deep dive into Peni Parker in Marvel Rivals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Marvel Rivals content. Until next time, stay heroic.
Time